everybody. It's the middle of March and I've been busy with the kids and whatnot, and doing some study. So I've just started studying at TAFE again. And yeah, I had a few days off. It's actually Saturday and the Belgian markets were on today, so I thought, well, my son and his friend was heading up there to have a look around, and I thought, well, I might go too, and then head on up to Dorrigo because I haven't been up there for a long time. Maybe camp for a night or two about the place. I probably won't go too much off road because we've just had the cyclone go through just north of us, sort of near Brisbane, I guess, which is only, that's about 400 k's north of us here. But we did get a lot of damaging wind and wet weather and whatnot. So yeah, so that's what I'm up to for this weekend. I'll probably come back on Monday. So yeah, I'll show you a few waterfalls and yeah, generally have a nice relaxing So the weather's like, it will be cooler up the mountain. It's supposed to be 29 degrees on the coast today, but it is always a bit cooler up the mountain, especially at night. So I did bring a jacket. How was that for a bit of forethinking? It's a beautiful drive, really is lovely. And I think Dorrigo's, I don't know, an hour, maybe a little bit more from Coffs Harbour. So it's all very easy to get to. So it's quite a climb up to Dorrigo, where I'm just at Rose's Park at the moment. You can see on the side of the road that the cyclone has caused some landslips. Guys are up there working as we speak on a Saturday. The road's only been cleared for 2 days, I think. Yeah, so Dorrigo's, if you don't know it, it's, like I said, about an hour's drive from Coffs Harbour. It's up on a plateau. Very windy road getting up to it. And you do pass a few motorbikes, but the road's very good in general. Like it's a big job keeping it up. Like with most mountain roads in subtropical climates, there's a lot of rain, hence a lot of like landslides, like not big massive ones, but just enough to, like where the cuttings are, where the road goes through and things like that. take some time. We might not do it this time because, yeah, the dirt roads are probably in pretty bad condition. And my car actually needs front shock absorbers, apparently. And aren't they expensive? Anyway. Right, we're at the top of the mountain. Just turned onto Maynard's Plains Road because there's a lovely lookout out here where I intend to have some lunch. And it's really quite beautiful. It's beautiful and green up here, like all the time. It's never brown, it's always green here. Proud of their properties up here. We're just coming up to the lookout now. Griffith's Lookout. How's that for some mountains? Just a big, basically a big car park. Couple of picnic tables, couple of seats. Entrance to a property right there. But this view is just so beautiful. The mountains just go on and on and on. And down there is the ocean. It's lovely and quiet. I did get a few treasures when I was at the markets down at Bellingen. So, these are my treasures. This is a Swiss cheese plant. Look at that, $5 bargain. Well, I thought it was anyway. So that was really nice. Then I got this guy. So I can put a candle in there. And that'll be lovely. Not for when I'm camping, but when I go home. That opens up somehow. Let me see. I have to put this down. There we go. There we go. Opens up. Made out of tin. It's beautiful. I thought it was anyway. And there's a guy selling kombucha. This is beetroot, celery, ginger. So he lives at Woolgoolga. Gut Instinct Traditional Fermented Living Elixir. Got all the ingredients there. Yeah, and it's yummy. Beetroot, celery, ginger. He had 3 or 4 varieties. Yeah. And then this, I got as I walked out the door, or out the gate, but look, this is for camping. I was thinking now that I'm addicted to percolated coffee, oh God, how am I going to do that camping? And it's fine, I can take my little percolator with me, but for friends, even at home really, because look, it's that, put your coffee inside, and it perks away. So I'm pretty happy with that. Into the Dorrigo National Park, the Rainforest Centre and Skywalk. So we'll go and check that out. So the lady was just telling me that the walk, most of the walks down to the waterfalls are closed at the moment due to the cyclonic conditions we've had of recent days. So, as I said before, the road up to Dorrigo only just opened yesterday. I suppose this is getting fairly old now. I can remember standing up here when I had my honeymoon in Coffs Harbour, before I lived up here. Oh, you can feel it rocking. Oh, we go back again. Lots of vines and very jungle-like. Well, this is a beautiful spot right here. It's all about looking up around here, that's for sure. And then, all of a sudden, what is that? It's a bloody big stuffed bird. It's pretty cool, actually. The track does keep going, but it's blocked off at just down the way a little bit, so we'll turn around here and go back. It's beautiful. Need a better camera here. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little walk. As quick as it was, I just noticed here though, looks like they've got giant leeches as their recognised creature. Gross. I really don't like leeches. Anyway, I'm sure nobody does. I wonder what their actual use is. I know they've got medical uses back in the day. Anyway, now I'm going to go and get some couple of things, just like some juice and that from the shop in town in Dorrigo. Then we might go out and have a look at the waterfall, Dangar Falls. A little bit of water coming down after all that rain. Seems to be a nice swimming hole down there, but it's probably a little wild at the moment. Nice. So there's a park here. Actually fixed the park up since I was here last as well. Oh my goodness. And some stuff here. We might film a bit of this. God's rainwater. That's the way. Alright, well I got to talking to someone and they convinced me that I should walk down here. So that's what I'm doing. Mind you, I've only got thongs on, so I said it's all like a rainforest down here, which I assume at the bottom of a waterfall it would be. So they're doing some more planting. Lots of planting. See over there, it's quite a big tree. Oh, ferns. Can't point the camera. Oh, this one didn't miss it. Oh dear, it's a fresh one too. Look at that. It's a big, that's about probably 600 high step over there. But you can see that's pretty freshly come down. What a shame. Bit on my rubber tyre down there. Aha. Another rubber tube float for Carol. Wow, that's nice. That's a great view. So this looks pretty nice. Going along here. So I'm nearly at the bottom of the waterfall. The rock wall is very much like out at Narrabri, Gilliga Scrub, where they've got the big cliff walls beside the river. See the mist. I've got spray coming all over me. Whoa. fresh water. Yeah, definitely coming back here and go for a swim. Yeah, someone died. They jumped off the top of that recently and didn't come back up. Oh, I don't know where he jumped off the top, but he jumped off a rock somewhere. Maybe over on that wall or something. It's pretty sad, hey? Anyway, alright. That's great. Oh, I gotta walk up there now. Okay. That's alright. Do me good. That's lovely. Glad I did that. Pretty noisy. That's the swimming hole at the bottom. That's where I was, right down there. Anyway, pretty cool. This is the village of Dorrigo. War memorial in the middle on the roundabout. There's a little bakery down here, I do believe. Post office.